FBI, open up!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my trading YouTube channel. This is my real account in which I will trade. I have made $2,000 deposit in which I will make at least 50% return profit. I will increase the lot size a bit, 0.10 lot, proper risk management.
Don't fucking run away from me!
Huh?
Let me explain to you why I sell trade place. First, draw the up-down trend line from which we will know the lower high. After that, draw the trend line below so that the lower low will be known. Use the rectangle tool to supply and demand zone create. Here also the market has reversed multiple times so that we get the reverse point clarification. There is a high percentage chance for the market to reverse from here. The market will go down from here because of this high probability setup. Let's wait when the market fall down. Already falling out, make sure proper market analysis and proper risk management follow your setup. Learn from your mistakes and move on. One day you are profitable trader. Okay, the market has respect to our setup. $500 profit is currently in progress. My target point below support area. Will the market reverse before my target point? I think the market may go up for the retest. Price has also touched the lower trend line. The market is trying to make a new lower low by retesting. If the market does not become a new lower low, price may make double bottom. Failed to achieve target last time, but this time the target can be achieved. Market trying to reverse. I will close all my trades soon. Here the market has reversed multiple times. Achieve 25% return of your capital. I am closing all trades here because here the strong support level.
London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always
Okay, I have closed all trades. Sell if the market breaks the support line or reverses.
Chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your
High probability chances market could reverse from here.
wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water.
The market has broken the support line. Let's see when we get a chance to trade.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream.
With your back same setup, we can have a sell opportunity here.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Going mainstream.
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
Going mainstream.
High probability trade. Market down here because strong resistance level above.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. They saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo.
We have taken sell trade on the same setup. Wait for the market to come down from here.
Page, do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going.
Above is the strong resistance, which will be our reverse point.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like
Let us see if the market goes down, what will be the next reverse point.
mainstream.
For market analysis, only two tools are enough: first trend line and second rectangle. Here our next target will be. Here the market has reversed 3 times, it could be the reverse point. Head and shoulder pattern is forming here, due to which the main target has also been placed in the same place. The market can reverse from here. Our target is about to hit. I will close all trades as soon as it gets hit. We have grown 50% of the account. We have made $2,000 to $3,000. All of you also take trade with proper analysis, with proper risk management. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks of watching this video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked, attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought.